Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reset your password for Bank Australia account. If you're trying to log into your Bank Australia online banking account, then you'll need to type in your customer number along with your internet banking password. If you've forgotten your internet banking password for the bank, then here is how you can reset your password to a new one. Get started by launching Open Bank Australia application on your device. In the first interface, tap on Existing Customer Login. In the sign-in page, you'll need to enter your customer number along with your password for your internet banking. If you are having trouble remembering your password, tap on the forgotten link right next to the password box. This will then take you to a web browser. Now, you'll need to fill in the following fields in order to reset your password. If you don't want to do this, you can also call on this number at the top and follow through the prompts with a phone call. If you want to fill in the fields and get started resetting your password, you'll need to type in your customer number in the customer number text box. On the next field, type in your first name. Go to the next field and type in your last name, enter your date of birth information, and provide your email address. On the next field, type in your mobile number, enter your postcode on the next, and after filling in all of the correct details, tap on I'm not a robot, complete the CAPTCHA, and tap next. If your information are correct, you'll be able to change a new password on the next page. Enter the password that is easier for you to remember, and then you should be able to reset to a new password for your bank account. Next time you log into your account, enter your correct customer number with the new password to get access to your internet banking account for Bank Australia. So that is how you can easily reset your Bank Australia account's password. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.